The Apple iPhone Air versus the Blackview Xplore 2. Now this is a weird comparison, guys, but I decided to compare both devices mainly because of the fact that, well, both devices are among the latest devices of both respective brands. So we've got the iPhone Air, a model among the iPhone 17 series. It is called the iPhone Air mainly because of the fact that it is Apple's thinnest iPhone ever made. It has a thickness of just 5.6 millimeters, and I think Apple is working towards replacing the Plus models with the Air models. So maybe the next iPhone series will not have a Plus model but an Air model. Anyway, let's quickly compare the specs of the iPhone Air versus the Blackview Xplore 2. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it.